What's up and welcome to the vlog. I haven't done an update lately. I've been super busy. I got a lot of stuff going on. So I just wanted to hop on here, make a quick video, kind of get you guys up to date on some parts for the Powerstroke. Give you a little teaser on this video or on this Timbersled, and just kind of tell you what we've done to the truck, what we're doing to the truck, where we're at with everything. First, I'm gonna start off with a cold start. It is deleted. This is a 2018 Ford F150 Powerstroke with a 3.0 little V6 Powerstroke. Anyways, it's deleted and tuned, and yeah, it's running really good. We got 5-stage custom tune and DPF EGR delete. So I just wanted to give you a quick cold start. We'll start there. We'll close this door. We'll get onto those goodies over there. Okay, I'll run in there, rev it a couple times. Okay, so this truck is deleted tune like I mentioned. Here we'll go inside. Here's our edge monitor. Come on, focus. Our monitor here. We got our custom tunes up there. This is a platinum. So perfect. That's a little teaser on the Powerstroke. Now I'm going to show you some of the goodies we got. As you guys know, we're doing a Baja mid-travel kit. King shocks all the way around, leaf springs, bumpers, Fiberworks, fiberglass. I'm actually going to pick up the bedsides and hood later today. Maybe I'll insert a little video of me picking that up in this video. So that's not in yet. But as far as everything else, we're just waiting on the front fenders. Those are gonna be 5 inches wider per side. But yeah, let's get started. I'll start with the King shocks, or actually I'll start with the bumper. This is the addicted off-road desert design, something like that. This is a really cool bumper. You don't have to relocate the, you don't have to relocate anything. It's bolts straight on. We have a space in here where we're gonna do the Baja design lights in there. So let me see where I can put this. Here in the Baja design. So we have 6 total cubes that are going to be going in the front of that bumper. We went with the yellows on the outside. So these are going to be flood and spot combo. So there's 2 of them. So those will go on the outside, and then the next ones in will be, floods, and then the next one in will be spot. And we'll have those all on separate switches, so we'll be able to kind of control how we do that. So that'll be really exciting. So that's the bumper, and then like I mentioned, we're going to do the Fiberworks fenders, bedsides, hoods, plus 5 inches per side on the front, plus 3 inches on the back, Raptor hood. It's going to look really cool. But let's get into the suspension. So we got King shocks all the way around. These are, what are these ones? Man, these things are heavy. So these are our coilovers with the 3.0 coilovers with the remote reservoir, King shocks. So these are gonna be on our front. Then, I don't need to pull out the other front one, we'll get to the back ones. We did some 3.0s in the rear as well. Let's see what these, that's the other front set. So check this out. This is super sick. I'm really excited about these. These are the rear shocks, which are gonna be really fun. Piggyback reservoir. Yeah, these are sick. So these are to come. Then, with that, we had to get extended axles. I'm not gonna pull the axles out just because they're super heavy and awkward shaped. But let's pull out Baja Kits, right? Upper A-arms, which are super nice. We also have extended brake lines as well. Oh man, that's for the big boy. These are our lowers, which are super cool. Eventually put another secondary shock up front. And then just drag this guy out. You guys can see this. This is our leaf spring for the rear. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What was it? 11, 12. 12 pack leaf spring. Super heavy. It's gonna give us a lot of flexibility. One thing you're gonna learn, I don't know a ton about this stuff. I just kind of had an idea, take an eco diesel, delete it, tune it, and then put a mid-travel suspension on it. Instead of just going out and buying a Raptor, we would basically just kind of build our own. And it'd be, in my eyes, a step above where the Raptor's at. Maybe not in a dead drag race, but suspension-wise, I think the body's gonna look a little bit cooler. We're gonna be 2 inches wider per side in the front than a regular Raptor, which is gonna be really just kind of give it a mean stance. So, man, it's hot in here. Anyways, I just wanted to give a brief overview because I hadn't been on here in a while. So that's what we're doing with the truck. These are all of our fun parts. I'll insert a clip of picking up the fiberglass. Hopefully here later today if I get a chance. I got a lot of big things going on with real estate. It's just been taking up a lot of my time. I figured December we'd you know, be a little bit slower, but got some big changes coming. Anyways, this is my snow bike. I don't think y'all have seen it yet. I'm gonna do a complete separate video on hooking up the Timbersled 120 LE kit on it, the 2019. What else do we have? We have the TIS shock, Fox shock in there. We have the Trio up front. Man, this thing's just all set up. We have, step over to the fender. We have the Trail Tech Voyager. We have heated hand grips. And this is a 2019 450 factory edition. And yeah, we're super excited. Everyone probably making fun of me, but I'm really hoping we can get out this weekend and get on some snow. It will be my first time on a timber sled. Normally I stick to dirt, but we got all the gear. We got the avalanche kit, the boots, the everything for snow. Man, just love that color. Sorry, don't mean to get sidetracked. But anyways, that's what we got going on. I'm sorry, this is super raw, very just unplanned video. I just wanted to get something out there so you guys could see what's coming with the Eco Diesel and the suspension, all of the bumper, fiberglass, all that stuff. So I'll probably insert a clip here of the fiberglass after I pick it up today, and then yeah, close out this video. And from here on out, there'll be more in-depth videos, more editing, more stuff like this. I just wanted to throw out a raw, uncut video, and we'll go from there. So please, if you're interested in snow bikes, mid-travel kit on an F150 deleted Powerstroke, a little baby 3.0 Powerstroke, please like, subscribe, comment what you want to see, comment what you want more detail. This is just a brief overview. I didn't even get into all this stuff. As you'll learn, I don't know much about it. My buddy DB Backcountry, he's got a YouTube channel as well. He's gonna be helping me with install, a lot of that different stuff. So anyways, please like, subscribe, follow. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you, bye.